Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. The 13 days of Craftoween is finally here. I'm so excited. Look how beautiful the box is. Oh my gosh, it's just a piece of art already. And I think I give you some like insight what would you find. So I'm not gonna open the box today because I wanted to keep the surprise for the people that doesn't want any spoilers. But on the 18th, I will start with my first video. Look how pretty is this bag. Oh, this box. Oh, there you go. You got some a little sneak peek here with the sum of the days. Oh, look adorable. Oh my god, I can't wait. I really can't wait. But I will having fun with you. So every day I will open one of the dice and we're gonna have fun. So I will see you on the 18th for the Craftoween, and thank you so much for watching. Meanwhile, of course, I'm gonna publish all the videos. Sorry about the noise. I'm in an open space basically. But meanwhile, so I will post all the video. But I cannot wait for this one. So it's gonna be fun. Thank you so much again for. You can start to purchase. So so we can do it together on the 18th if you want to. We can start together to do it. And I'll see you then. Have a spooky few weeks left, so before we actually open this beautiful box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!